Tasty chicken goujon. Here's a recipe idea for you. First thing you do is you preheat the oven to 200. Get a pizza tray and oil it and heat it. Gather your ingredients in one place, peri peri, very finely grated parmesan. I used oat bran and a mix of psyllium husk seeds, which I got in my local vegetable shop, but you could use almond flour if you don't have the seeds. So you chop your chicken into small little thin fillets and you marinate it in the lemon juice and the egg. You get all of your other ingredients and you put them into a glass jar and mix them well, and then you can spread that mixture over a wooden chopping board. And then if you don't like touching raw chicken, you just get a fork and you pick up each fillet and you lay it on top of the mixture on top of the board. That's half of it is on the board. The remaining half of it you spread over the top of the chicken. And then you can add another little bit of extra mixture if parts of the chicken look dry. Now, if you don't eat egg, you can use buttermilk to marinate it, but if you look there, it's a much whiter finish. So the egg gives it a lovely yellow finish. It's just 5 carb per serving, and they are really tasty. Try it.